Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. As always, thank you very much for joining me. I am Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, please do drop a like and subscribe to the channel. I've got an amazing giveaway for those who sign up to ByBit down below using my link. I've partnered with them to offer a free $500 trading position on their platform to do with as you choose if you sign up in the next 70 days using my link down below in the description and deposit $100. I personally used it to take a 3x leverage long on Dogecoin, and if it hits $1, I'll be making around 15k, which is absolutely insane. So I think it's definitely something that you should check out down below in the description. So we're taking a look at Polygon then on our daily time frame, and as we can see, looking like we're finally starting to get a little pickup off of this low of this range we've been in for the past few weeks. Very interesting price action, a clear area of demand to be honest, although we haven't been getting the bounce just yet. But in my opinion here, looking like we're probably going to be starting to get a reversal in this local area. You can see we're putting a pretty obvious range apart from this big deviation we saw previously. But overall, as I've been saying for some time, Polygon very much looking like it's going to be reversing in this area and heading to the upside. Right now, we are just basically chilling and waiting for that to happen in the markets. Not much to report other than Polygon here. Very much looking like it's basically just going to be, you know, chilling and waiting for that opportunity for Bitcoin to break to the upside. Bitcoin looking like it's probably going to be heading to the upside soon in my estimation. You can see we're cleanly now starting to break out of my original bull flag formation, currently at the previous all-time high of 69k, having a little bit of a test into that area. But overall, in my opinion, looking like we're going to be getting a bounce here and some continuation to the upside for the whole market, and Polygon is going to benefit from all this open space that it's going to be running up into. Not much to report today. Other than that, we're starting to see some signs of Polygon getting a bounce in this area here. And you can see previously that when the demand is there for Polygon, it does start to move. Right now, we're just chilling and waiting for that to happen in the markets. Overall, in my opinion, looking good for a reversal in this area. Let's see what we can do. Make sure to sign up to ByBit and get your 30k bonus down below. Massive prizes at the minute for depositing $100. BitTrue are also offering 50 USDT for depositing. Or if you're looking for a non-KYC self-custody exchange, AlphaX down below in the description as well, and like and subscribe for more.